morning, my friends. Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Turkish, the channel which helps you to learn Turkish from the basics. If you didn't subscribe, it's not too late because we're still at the beginning. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell to get our notifications. Okay, in today's lesson we are going to learn fruits in Turkish. Fruits in Turkish is the word meyveler. Meyveler. Ler here is used to express, as I have already mentioned, the plural. If you want to say fruit, you say meyve. Okay, let's jump directly to the first fruit. Here all my lessons are illustrated with picture. For example, here banana is illustrated and we have the meaning also mentioned in English in order to get easier explanation. Muz, muz, muz. Second one, elma, elma, elma, elma. Portakal, portakal, portakal. Üzüm, üzüm, üzüm. Kiraz, kiraz, kiraz. Mandalina, mandalina, mandalina. Here we have vişne. Vişne. Vişne is sour cherry or tart cherries. You know that tart cherries or sour cherries are bright red when harvested and they remain bold color when dried, frozen or juiced. If you have never tasted one, it's easy to notice that it's a little bit acidic, so you need to put or add an avalanche of sugar. Armut, armut, armut. This one is the same in English. Avocado, avocado. Here the only difference is in C letter, or as we say in Turkish, C. It's because the C in Turkish is J, is replaced with K or K in Turkish. Okay? Avocado, avocado. Ananas, ananas, ananas. Çilek, çilek, çilek. Grapefruit, grapefruit, grapefruit. İncir, incir, incir. Karpuz, karpuz, karpuz. Kavun, kavun. Kayısı, kayısı, kayısı, kayısı. And since we don't have W in Turkish, they always say V replaced by W. Kiwi, kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. Hurma, hurma, hurma. erik, erik. This has a little bit acidic taste and it's always served with salt and it gives a wonderful taste. It's an amazing fruit. Dut, dut. Ahududu, ahududu. Böğürtlen, böğürtlen, böğürtlen. This is yumuşak G. You don't have to pronounce it, okay? It comes always after the vowel, okay? And it's the extension of the vowel before. Böğürtlen, böğürtlen. Şeftali, şeftali.
Those are the basic fruits you must know in Turkish. If you want to ask about another fruit, do never hesitate to post on the group. See you next time, guys.